Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can attach your compliance documents to an opportunity so that you can submit them to your market center. Now, this is a snippet. It's part of a bigger class. We have a class on opportunities and sales pipeline, as well as DocuSign 101 on our YouTube channel. So if you're looking for the entire class so that you can really tell how to access your forms, get signatures, edit them, get them submitted to Market Center for compliance, those types of things, you can definitely check out either one of those two classes to help you out. Now, again, this is just to show you how to attach your documents once they are signed to your opportunity so that you can submit them to your Market Center for compliance. So first, we'll go over here to opportunities. And go ahead and choose the opportunity, like click into the sales pipeline here and choose the opportunity that you want to attach these documents to. Go to the Documents tab. Make sure that your checklist over here on the left is selected. There may be more than one choice for your market center, so just make sure that's selected. And then choose the compliance event, whether this is when you are listing the property, it's going under contract, or maybe it's already closed. So we'll go with listed here on this listing opportunity. And over here on the right, you will see the particular documents required from your market center for compliance. You can tell what status they are in, whether they're uploaded or not, whether they are required or optional. You may also see a label called conditional. And then you need to go ahead and add your documents over here on the right. You can do this multiple ways. You can go ahead and choose from this particular drop-down menu. If you have dot loop connected to your command, you may also see the option to automatically link a document from your dot loop to the opportunity. Here we have DocuSign. So if we choose DocuSign and come over here, let's say we're going to actually upload the input sheet, you can select here in the drop down, and any of your signed documents or PDFs that are currently in that DocuSign room for this transaction will appear in a drop-down list here, and you can simply click on that document, give it just a second, and you will see that now it is in uploaded status. If you would like to add a file from your device, you can come back up here to attach files from, choose My Computer. You can click here to browse your device, or you can even just drag and drop over from your device this way if you would like. So we'll grab our PDF here and just drag and drop it over into the opportunity. And then you'll get the banner saying it's successfully loaded. And now that document also shows in uploaded status. If you've created any custom folders over here with documents, if you have already done that, you will also see the option to attach files from your custom folders. So please know that you can do that as well. Now, once you are done adding your documents here to your opportunity, you would simply come up here to the top and click Submit to Market Center. This will give a notification to your Market Center staff to review all of your files for compliance, and you will get a notification back, usually by email, but also by notification bell here in Command, along with a status listed over here on the left, letting you know if maybe they have questions or they're missing something, or maybe it's just approved. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email, and our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.